Hey guys, it's Mcfixit here. We have a new video. This is the Vogma V9 compressed air duster. Has multiple adjustments and looks like it's going to work really well. It's supposed to be super powerful, and so we're going to open it up and do a little bit of a demo on it and tell you guys my final thoughts. So to open it up, pretty easy here. We're going to go ahead and pull this out. Inside the box comes with a user guide on how to work it, and it is a USB-C, and so it comes with two different brushes, a little note from the people who sent it to me, and here's your USB to USB-C connector, so we can charge this thing pretty easily, and go ahead and pull the device out itself. This thing feels really compact, and so I'm excited to see how well it does work. So you have an on button on this side. Looks like up and down for the speed. You can kind of see in there maybe. Got a fan in there. On the back side you can see the fan. And here is the USB-C on the bottom. So when you are connecting that, you'll need to use the USB-C. So the first thing we need to do is go ahead and charge this device. Go ahead and get your USB-C, plug it in, and we'll plug this in as well. It actually shows that it's at 100% already, so we won't need to charge this. If yours is not at 100%, it's always good to go ahead and charge before use. This air compressor comes with two batteries inside of it for a total of 10,000 mAhs, or 5,000 for each one of the two batteries. And it says that it is a brushless motor, so it should last a very long time with a air speed reach of 350,000 RPMs, or a force of 300 G. And so it sounds like this thing would work really well to blow air out of pretty much anything and to get dust and everything else out. It is small and compact. It says it weighs 0.67 pounds, so it's definitely lightweight. Can't wait to test this thing out and see what it's like. So the first thing we need to do is go ahead and turn this on. So this side has the power button. It does have an LED display. It says it's at 100%. And then you turn this up 1, 2, 3, and then you long press the bottom for level 4. So that is pretty powerful. You do have to hold it down as you do level 4. You can see that box is just flying all over the place. So that thing is super powerful for how small it is. Let's go ahead and test it out on some different items. So we're going to test this and see how long the battery does last on low. So at 62:37, so just over an hour, this thing lasted on low. That's pretty good for the two batteries that are in here. Remember, it is 10,000 mAhs or 5,000. Pretty sweet that that thing lasts 1 hour on a charge. This product can also work really well at cleaning up workspaces. And in just a few seconds, you can clean the whole area. Let's do a test where we try to blow these leaves away. So this test is going to be on a really old fan. This actually is in my workshop. It is pretty gross looking, I know, but it gets used a lot, especially in the summer months. And so we're just going to do it to, let's go ahead and turn it on. And we're just going to put it up to power 3. I'm not certain how well you saw some of that dust fly off, but it did actually fly off a lot. Let's go ahead and do it on the 4th power. So we need to go ahead and turn that on, and then we're just going to hold down the bottom button. So I'm not sure how well, you can see some of it on my hand, how well that actually looked like it worked, but you could see stuff flying everywhere. And so I don't know if that all got picked up on the camera, but that's pretty awesome that you can clean off the dust and debris on things like fans. So this is a keyboard I use all the time. We're going to go ahead and pull it up, and you can see there is just lots of gunk in there. And let's see if we can clean it out pretty easily. So any of that loose debris came out real easy. You can also clean it with like an old toothbrush or something. So that works pretty well with doing that. You can always put your keyboard back together afterwards. So that right there worked really well to help clean out a lot of the gunk in this keyboard. A common problem I have is I get leaves because we have all these trees around us. So let's see if the Vogma can go ahead and remove them. And the engine bay is all cleaned out of leaves in just a few seconds. I was using it level 4 on this. So here are my final thoughts. I've used this for a number of projects. This thing works super well. I love the 4 different speeds that this thing has, or gears you might call them. You just simply turn it on, and then you select 1, 2, 3, or if you want 4. And 4 is just super powerful. I am so shocked with how small this device is. And I've been using it a lot, and I'm still at 75% battery, which I think is pretty good. I do love that it has a LED display and uses a USB-C. It just really helps make this more compatible with other things. So if you're looking for a lightweight, compact, easy to carry, easy to hold air duster, this thing is definitely the way to go. If you're looking to clean keyboards, PC components, air vents, car windows, sofas, pet hair, clean out your barbecue, your grill, you can just simply blow all the junk out. There are so many different options for this. And so if you're looking for a new way to use kind of a jet dryer blower, this thing definitely can replace using air cans, and is rechargeable, so you'll be able to use it for years to come. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you do have any questions, make sure to put them down in the comment section down below. If you've not subscribed to Mcfixit yet, do so, and always give videos a thumbs up. It helps this channel grow. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Take care.